Hello friends! Today's the video you've all been waiting for. Today I'm going to announce the winner to the 100 subscribers competition. I want to say thank you to everybody who took the time to take the challenge. We got 5 submissions and I'm completely blown away by that number. I was a little nervous that I would get none. I personally enjoy connecting with a few of you through email. I'm starting to recognize a few names from the YouTube comments and LinkedIn, so it's great that we're building a small community. Each of you I connected with shared your desire to become a better engineer. I think that's amazing because I have a lot to share from the information that I've learned, and knowing that there are people out there wanting to accept it inspires me to want to create more content. I know I haven't created a lot of videos recently and I apologize for that. I'm working a lot right now, like a lot, which is good because I'm learning a lot. It's just that I need to find a faster way to share it to you guys, but I'll figure it out. And now to what you've been waiting for, announcing the winner of the contest. So here again is the MuleSoft custom-made t-shirt that I'm giving away. And also I found a bunch of these MuleSoft stickers that people usually put on their laptop. So I'm going to throw a bunch of these into the care package as well. And now on to my amazing spin board. So I've marked up this spin wheel with the names of each contest entry. So there was 5 entries and I've just kind of doubled them up. So you might see the same name a few times. So we're going to give this a huge spin and let's see who the winner is. Here we go. Shrini. Congratulations. I'll be contacting you through email for your address. I believe you are in India, so I'm going to mail this out and hopefully it gets to you sometime soon. Thank you for coming along with this journey with me, and please continue to like, comment, and subscribe, and maybe we'll have another contest soon, and I'll probably just give away something digital, maybe some cash or gift cards next time. Until next time, we'll see you later. Peace.